cooking you something. That hot water cornbread you made for us this morning, it was delicious. But I'm doing a fried green tomato with it. And this looks delicious just like you had that hot water cornbread.
Yeah, boy. This looks like it's gonna be good. Hey, we go eat some of the others together.
Yeah, we all get a piece of this, and we gonna make some more. Everybody gonna get their own green tomato. And let Granny taste this. Let me see here.
Oh, Granny, can I be the first?
Okay, baby, go ahead.
Oh, Granny. This is delicious. We'll be right back, y'all. We can talk to you here.